Hey everyone, hope you guys have all been having a fantastic day. Looks like the market was just up just a little bit today, but that's good news for us because we're looking for any type of opportunity to continue on this breakout. Now, some of the news I think you guys should know is that we do have earnings coming up this week that are going to be a little important, but not overall important in the scheme of things. The big one you guys have to be worried about is tomorrow Home Depot. That's a lot of contractors, how many houses being built, stuff like that. And on Wednesday, we also have to talk about that Target's going to be coming out, and I think that's going to be something else as well. I'm looking on Thursday morning before open. We also have Walmart. They're closing a lot of shops and like really ghetto neighborhoods because the crime is just so bad over there, and I can completely understand. So look to see how that's going to affect their earnings report. I would say their earnings are probably going to be good, but don't take my word for it. Look at some of the option flow data, see some of their past history, okay? Now, some of the other news that I think you guys should be concerned about for this week is that the talks are going to be continuing between Joe Biden's administration and the Republican House, and they are going to try to figure out a way to get this deal done so we can raise the debt limit, the market won't go into some type of free fall, so to speak, and that we can continue just grinding along with this kind of bad economy and hoping that it can sputter itself back up just a little bit, because right now everybody still believes that we're going to be having a recession. And the last tidbit of information I wanted to share with you guys today is that finally we hit $17 trillion of consumer debt. It's never happened before. People are putting more and more money on their credit cards, and that is not a good thing. Eventually, when these people get laid off during the recession, they're not going to have the ability to pay back those credit cards, and that debt is going to default, messing up their credit scores and making it a long time before those people are eligible to get lots of money back. So that's going to help. It's going to like lag the stimulus of the economy going forward. Okay. Normally, what gets us out of a recession is people have credit, they have money to spend, and our money that we spend goes to pay other people's wages. Well, if those people don't have as much capital to spend because they can't get as many good credit cards or the credit card fees are too expensive, that means there's less money going to them and more money usually just going to the credit card companies like Capital One, Chase. You guys get what I'm saying there, okay? So, have a great rest of your day and make sure to subscribe.